Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see Shallots Chutney or the baby onion chutney. For this, take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this, add around 2 cups of shallots and 4 garlic cloves. Give this a nice saute. If you don't have shallots, use 2 big sized onions. To this, let us add few curry leaves. Saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. The outer layer of the shallot should get translucent. Next, let us add 2 normal dry chilies, 2 Kashmiri dry chilies and 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, that is hing. Now give everything a nice saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. For the tangy taste, add a small piece of tamarind. You can now see the change in color. At this stage, you can switch off the flame. Allow it to cool down and transfer this into a mixie jar. Don't add water for grinding, it will change the taste. Let us add some salt and grind this again. So here the chutney is ready. Let us do the tempering. For the tempering, add 1 tablespoon of groundnut oil. Here I am using Idli Mantra groundnut oil. To this, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of black gram and few curry leaves. Once everything is fried well, you can add the chutney. Give a nice mix and switch off the flame. So here our chutney is ready. You can have this along with idli, dosas, chapathis and rotis. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do share, like and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.